The global pandemic of COVID 19 has brought India to a staggering halt. The early implementation of lockdown has helped us curb the spread of the deadly virus. Though India has one of the strictest implementations of lockdown, the number of cases in the country have been on a rise. The movement of people for essential goods, which subsequently leads to gathering and human contact, has proved to be a bottleneck in effective social distancing. Depending upon the conditions in the locality, the movement of people often sees a curve which is concentrated during particular peak hours of the day. We suggest usage of technology to spread out and flatten the curve and regulate the movement of people. Our solution consists of a mobile application which is used by people for their movement to stores, local markets, pharmacies, and other essential movements. The several steps that will be followed by a user are explained henceforth. The user first registers on the app using his or her mobile number. Once registered, the user can use the map feature to find a nearby store that he or she intends to visit. On selecting the store, the user can then share a list to the vendor of the commodities that he intends to buy from the store. Receiving the list, the vendor can check the items available in the store and share the full amount that is to be paid by the user. The user then receives a link of payment. The user can use all available online modes to pay the vendor. Once the payment is complete, the user will then be allotted a slot to visit the store. The slot allotting mechanism has been discussed later. The user will then get a time-dependent permit which will only work in the allotted time slot and will expire after that. The user will also have to carry his phone when outside to be shown at several checkpoints and also in the store. On reaching the store, the order of the user will already be ready, thus decreasing the amount of time the user spends in the store and reducing human contact. The solution not only distributes the movement of people across the entire day to flatten and decrease the gathering of people and human contact, but also regulates the frequency of people to move out of their homes. As mentioned before, the slot allotting mechanism will use several parameters to minimize gathering and human contact. The parameters include, but are not limited to, the earlier slot occupancy, the time of the visit during the day, the previous history of user for the frequency of outdoor visits, the physical size of the store, internal ratings of users, the number of cases found in that locality. The solution could easily be extended to other areas during and post lockdown. During the release period, the solution could be implemented for local transport, other non-essential stores, and also at workplaces. Now, let us discuss features that can make the solution even more effective. Geofencing. Geofencing is a tool which enables us to track the number of mobile devices within a geographical boundary. Geofencing can help us monitor and not allow crowding at any given location. It can also help us prevent misuse of the permit by flagging users who travel beyond a particular distance in the permitted slot. Geofencing can also help us monitor unregulated markets like the local vegetable and fruit markets. Linking the app with Arogya Setu can help us add an additional parameter of exposure, thus making social distancing even more effective. The slots can be allotted depending upon the exposure levels of the user. This is our team. Please get in touch with us if you have any suggestions. Thank you.